I'm gonna be unboxing, unwrapping. I'm gonna be opening gifts from Romel. This is my birthday gift and I don't know kung anong kinuha niya, but I think it's a car. 2 cars, I think, sabi niya. Sabi niya, Watsons lang daw. I feel like skincare siya kasi pag nakita ko yung mga binigay niya, mag-glow aking skin. Kasi masaya ako. Let's open it. This is the bag. It's a Watsons bag. And then, naka-bubble wrap siya. So, hindi talaga siya kita. Pero, ngayon, makakita natin siya kasi kukunin ko na siya. Wait lang, no spoilers guys, no spoilers. So, oh my god, I'm seeing red. I'm seeing wait lang. Let's look at this muna. Let's do the right one. Kasi dapat always right ang ginauna. Okay. Oh my gosh, Romel, you are sneaky! I have a friend, he's been trying to bid it for me. Pero pati siya mastilan last minute. So, hindi ko siya makuha-kuha. But then, Romel! Romel! Thank you so much! So, this is the collaboration between Kaido and Mina GT. And what I love about this one is ang Kaido, they always have, or at least the models that I've seen, they always have the heart. Ayan oh. I'm a romantic girl. I love a heart. I love hearts. And it's white. I collect white and black pieces kasi. Oh my gosh, and even the box has character. Like, hindi siya plain lang. I appreciate the design. Oh, diba? So when you open it, you see another set of pictures. Diba? Hello! It has a 10 sa kanyang eyes. 10 out of 10 kasi. Thank you so much, Romel. So that's the first one. Tama siya. Matutuwa nga ako. Ang galing niya magpili ng gifts. Okay. Next car. Next car. Let's see. Romel! This is the car. Pinakaunang car na ginusto kong bilhin na diecast. This one, specifically this one, I cannot buy because it is beyond my budget. If I do decide on buying this car, it would cost me weeks of my allowance, which I am not willing to give up. But Romel, aray ko, nagsakit ang abs ko sa kakatawa. This is the NSX evasive na red na mahirap hanapin, mahirap hagilapin. Oh my gosh, amo ko na siya. May nakita na ako in person, I was like, wow, okay, nahawakan ko siya. I'm gonna give up on my dream na. Ay, nakita ko na siya, ba't ko siya bibilhin, di ba? Hindi ko siya kailangan, pero Romel. Ito masasabi ko sa'yo.